Good evening. Anything that we discuss today is going to be for educational purposes. I'd like to welcome you all to Digital Trading Flow. It's a platform where we disseminate financial data in real time to provide actionable insights using live streaming technology. So follow along as I navigate the markets by trading in my own account, and hopefully you will learn how I analyze the markets in real time to make trading decisions. The purpose for making this video is to analyze Nifty options open interest data. We are going to be analyzing Nifty on multiple time frames. Apart from that, we are going to be framing a view for tomorrow, that is 24th November. Apart from the index, we would be discussing our stock watch list. So let's begin with options open interest analysis. You will observe that for 26th November monthly expiry, max pain has shifted from 12,700 levels to 12,800 level. So it just tells us that on 26th November, if market was to expire at 12,800 level, then option writers are going to suffer the least amount of losses at 12,800 levels, theoretically speaking. And if we were to see what is the overall open interest, you will see that more amount of puts have been written versus calls, and total open interest in puts is at 5 crore 17 lakh shares, and in calls it is at 3 crore 95 lakh shares. And you will see that highest amount of calls have been written at 13,000 strike, followed by 13,200 strike, and you will see that highest amount of puts have been written at 12,800 strike, followed by 12,500 strike. So it gives us a broad range of 13,200 to 12,500 levels for this 26th November monthly expiry contract. And if you were to see what happened today intraday, you will see that more amount of puts were written versus calls. So today almost 37.5 lakh shares of puts were written versus 25.55 lakh shares of call. And you will see that highest amount of calls were written at 13,100 strike, followed by 13,200 strike. And you will see that 12,700, 12,750, 12,800, 12,850 and 12,900 call options, they saw their open interest decrease. So it just tells us that option call buyers at 12,700, 750, 800, 850 and 12,900 strikes, they have booked their profits, while uh, option writers in these calls have squared off their losses, thereby leading to reduction in overall open interest intraday in calls. And you will see that highest amount of puts have been written at 12,900 strike, followed by 12,600 strike. And broadly speaking, I'll repeat again that we are in a 13,200 to 12,500 range for this monthly expiry, and overall highest amount of puts today were written at 12,900 level. So tomorrow 12,900 level will have relatively strong support. So let's see if it breaks tomorrow, if it or it sustains. So let's see what happens tomorrow. Now we are going to analyze Nifty on multiple time frames. So on multiple time frames, first I'm going to be starting on monthly time frame. So market is under control of buyers above 11,697 levels on the monthly time frame. And today two new time frames opened. That is a new weekly candle open as well as the daily candle open. So today the daily and the weekly candle open are the same. So here you can see on the spot there is a conflict between monthly and the weekly candlesticks. So the, here you can see that today market was under control of sellers below 12,960 on Nifty spot. So as there is conflict among multiple time frames, so that is why there is no clear-cut trend in the market. For there to be time frame continuity, then market should be trading above its monthly open, weekly open and the daily open. So tomorrow in scenario, market trades above 12,960 level and on daily level as well. So at that point of time, market would be above monthly open, weekly open, which is at 12,960 and above the daily open. In that scenario, buyers would be aggressive in lifting the offers. And scenario for tomorrow is above 12,009 13,926 levels, we can trade towards 12,968 levels, 13,006 levels, and potentially 13,055 levels. On the flip side, below 12,855 levels, market can trade towards 12,825, 12,787, and 12,738 levels, potentially speaking. And conservative traders can refrain from making any trades in 12,926 to 12,855 price range. And aggressive traders can look for shorting opportunities even below 12,926 levels. And as we have already discussed, that highest amount of puts have been written at 12,900 strike. So if market starts trading below 12,900 level, then we can potentially get short trade towards 12,855, 12,825, 12,787, and potentially 12,738. And if 12,900 sustains, then we can potentially see levels beyond 13,000. Now we are going to discuss our stock watch list for tomorrow. The stocks that we have chosen are all inside candlesticks. The stocks are ICICI Lombard General Insurance, Biocon, Tata Chemicals, and Infratel. So we look for buying opportunities above 1381.1 levels or selling opportunity below 1344 levels in ICICI GI, that is ICICI Lombard General Insurance. In Biocon, it's again an inside candlestick. We look for buying opportunities above 425.4 levels or selling opportunities below 417.5 levels. Our third stock is Tata Chemicals. So above 363 levels, we look for buying opportunity or we look for selling opportunity below 351 levels. And our final stock is Infratel. Above 222.6 levels, we look for buying opportunities, and below 212.9 levels, we look for selling opportunity. So as these are all inside candlesticks, we have to remember that currently there is an equilibrium between both the buyers and sellers in the market. That is why inside candlesticks are formed. So we'll be looking forward to trade in the direction of breakout of either side range. So today's highs in tomorrow's context are going to be previous day highs. So if market breaks previous day highs in these stocks, we look for buying opportunity. And if these stocks break today's lows, which in tomorrow context is going to be previous day lows, then we look for selling opportunity. And in between the high-low range of today, which in tomorrow's context is going to be previous day range, we'll refrain from making any trades in these stocks. Before ending this video, I like to summarize that we are trading in a broad range of 13,200 to 12,500 based on the overall open interest data, and above 12,926 levels, we can trade towards 12,968, 13,006, and potentially 13,055 tomorrow, or below 12,855 levels, we can trade towards 12,825, 12,787, and potentially 12,738 levels. And max pain has shifted from 12,700 to 12,800 for 26 November monthly expiry. So if market were to expire at 12,800 on 26 November, then option writers are going to suffer the least amount of losses. And the stock watch list comprises of inside candlesticks. So we'll be looking to take the trades in direction of breakout of previous day highs or previous day lows, and refrain from making any trades in between previous day range. And the stocks are ICICI Lombard General Insurance, Biocon, Tata Chemical, Infratel. And finally, I'd like to thank you all for watching this video. I would request you to hit the like button and also see the description area of this video. There you can find links to our recent blog posts where we have discussed potential weekly scenarios. So have a look at that blog. And once again, I'd like to thank you all for watching. Hit the like button, share, and subscribe to Digital Trading Floor YouTube channel. Thank you.